Like you're not thinking. All right, so Skyline says they want to build an e-commerce full stack website. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys one of my secrets that I use for the stuff that I create. And I don't see anybody else talking about this. And I'm probably going to do a series on this at some point. But so right now, if I were to tell you, okay, I want you to vibe code an e-commerce full stack app, like 99% of you are going to do what? You're going to go and you're going to open Claude Code, right? Wrong, wrong, massive mistake. Do not start in Claude Code. Right there, you've gone wrong from the beginning. So one of my secrets is that I'm a very big fan of handoff files. Claude overall, the whole Claude Anthropic ecosystem is very good at understanding handoff files, right? So if I were to take on a big project like that, because an e-commerce full stack app is a big project, right? Just to be clear, I'm starting in Claude Desktop. And by the way, when I say that, I mean the one that's on my screen now, right? I'm starting in Claude Desktop, and I would just start it as a general conversation. I would just start it as a general conversation with my AI saying, hey, I'm thinking of building this. And what do you think about that idea? Here's 5 features that I think my app should have. What do you think? Hey, I'm really concerned that I'm going to be holding client data. What are the security concerns that exist, and how can I protect myself? Hey, obviously, credit card payments are going to be really important to me. How can I implement credit card payments into this app? Right? Like, you see where this is going? Like, why are you making decisions about the app? Let AI tell you what some of the decisions are and guide you in that way. And then at the very end, once you're comfortable, once you've discussed all the features, once you're clear on what you want to do, you say, okay, I'm ready to go work on this in Claude Code. Please create a handoff file that encapsulates everything that we've talked about and lets Claude Code start to work. And then you go into Claude